Mouth disorders. Introduction. Lauren has difficulty eating and drinking. She also has noticed her gums have been red and swollen. Should Lauren see her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Difficulty eating and drinking and red or swollen gums may be signs of a problem. Lauren should see her healthcare provider. Do cold sores and canker sores both affect the inside of the mouth? Select yes or no. Correct. Canker sores affect the inside of the mouth. Cold sores affect the lips and the skin around the mouth. It is normal to have a dry mouth once in a while. Select true or false. Correct. Having a dry mouth once in a while is normal, especially if you are nervous or stressed. But if you have a dry mouth all or most of the time, it can be a sign of a problem. Is oral thrush a major problem if you are healthy? Select yes or no. Correct. Oral thrush is a minor problem if you are healthy. If you have a weakened immune system, symptoms of oral thrush may be more severe and difficult to control. Plaque is the main cause of gum disease. Select true or false. Correct. Plaque is a sticky, colorless substance that sticks to teeth. It is the main cause of gum disease. Thank you for using Explain.